What if I told you that the secret behind the smartest AI agents isn't just data or power, but how they think? A new prompting method is changing how AI reasons, decides, and acts. It's called ReAct prompting. And it's what powers some of the most advanced AI systems that can plan, analyze, and take action, just like a human. Welcome back to Clythera Vox, where we explore the intelligence behind artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore how ReAct works, why it's revolutionary, and how you can master it to build smarter AI workflows, tools, and automations. The problem with traditional prompting. Most prompts tell AI to answer, not to think. That's the limitation of standard prompting. The AI responds instantly, without reflecting or planning. Imagine asking ChatGPT to find the best restaurant in Paris. It gives an answer, but it doesn't reason through how it chose it. This lack of reasoning leads to hallucinations, wrong assumptions, and shallow answers. That's where ReAct prompting comes in, short for reasoning plus acting. It gives AI a structure, to think first, then act deliberately. It's like teaching AI not just to speak, but to solve. What is ReAct prompting? ReAct prompting is a prompting framework that helps large language models interleave reasoning and action steps. Here's the idea. Instead of giving one-shot answers, the AI goes through a cycle. Think, reasoning, analyze the problem step by step. Act, action. Perform an action like searching, retrieving info, or calculating. Observe, feedback, see the result of that action. Repeat until the task is complete. This makes ReAct a bridge between pure reasoning, like chain of thought, and pure acting, like tool use or APIs. It's how agents plan, not guess. Examples of ReAct prompting. Let's try out some examples to see how ReAct prompting works. Example 1. Research assistant, answering a factual question. Let's ask AI to use ReAct in answering the question, who won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921? See how it shows the thought process and actions before coming up with the answer. Example 2. Logical problem, multi-step reasoning. Let's see how AI uses ReAct to solve a math question step by step. It shows the step-by-step approach used to solve. Example 3, real-world task, AI agent-style query. Let's ask AI to find a flight from New York to London next weekend. AI agent-like approach used to find the cheapest flights with detailed explanations. You're not prompting an answer anymore. You're prompting a process. Why it's powerful. ReAct prompting unlocks. Transparency. You see how AI thinks. Accuracy. Fewer hallucinations. Autonomy. It can plan and correct itself. Versatility. Works for coding, analysis, research, and even automation. It's the foundation of AI agents that combine language models with tools like LangChain or N8N, AI workflows. How to master ReAct prompting. Let's talk about how to master ReAct prompting. You can build skill in 4 stages. Stage 1. Observe the pattern. Study how ReAct examples are structured. Notice how reasoning alternates with actions. Stage 2. Design modular prompts. Use clear separators like thought, action, observation, final answer. That helps the model maintain flow. Stage 3. Practice on real tasks. Start with open questions, then move to tool-based reasoning. For example, question: find the population of the capital city of the country with the world's tallest building. See how the AI reasons through multiple steps before answering. Stage 4. Refine for clarity and constraints. Always define the goal, the allowed tools or actions, the output format. The clearer the structure, the smarter the behavior. The key to mastering ReAct prompting isn't memorizing syntax. It's thinking like a cognitive architect. You're not just writing prompts, you're designing thought patterns for machines. ReAct prompting represents a new generation of AI, one that doesn't just respond, but reasons and acts like us. If you want to shape how intelligent systems think in the future, mastering this technique is your next step. If you found this video inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe to Clythera, and explore our other videos on AI reasoning, agents, and automation. Until next time, keep building intelligence that thinks before it acts.